Hi, environmental management systems. The environmental management systems starts with the policy and ends with the operation controls. So the policy is mostly based on the ISO 14001. So whatever version it may be. But the environmental policy should be continual improvement, then pollution control, either air, water, land, soil pollution controls, and a commitment to the society or continually improving the standards of environment and reducing the environmental pollution. So this policy has to be communicated to all the employees in the company. Then manual. The manual starts with the management review, internal audits, and environmental management programs. Then it will goes to the operation procedures, and finally the operation controls. So the operation procedures, the what are the activities you have, the entire the companies having the various industrial activities. These all the activity, each and every activity must have a procedure. In that procedure, you have a monitoring forms. For example, if you have a procedure for the DG operation means you have to a form for monitoring of the DG, fuel, and also electricity and water, the monitoring part. The same thing is applicable for each and every activities in the company. Apart from the procedures, you have a operation controls. These operation controls for each and every small activities must have a operation controls. The operation controls either the maintenance, housekeeping, or various industrial activities. It's all coming under the operation controls. These operation controls is specified for the environmental operations. It's not just only the operation. You have to specify the environmental management systems starts with the environmental policy and it ends with the operation controls. So the pyramid of the environmental management systems is a topmost the policy, then environmental management programs. Then third one is the environmental procedures, operation procedures. Then the fourth one is environmental controls, and then finally fifth one is forms, the monitoring forms and the records and sheets. So these are the pyramids of the environmental management systems. So the first one is the policy. You have to communicate, you have to make a commitment, and the top management must be sign it. And then environmental manual. The environmental manual is consists of all the things from the management review, internal audit, and then the various operation issues, and also the entire core management systems includes the manual. Then in that manual having the each and every substances are there in which you have to have the procedures. In that procedures is a separate procedures. In this procedure you have to have the operation controls. Then operation under the procedures you have operation controls. Then under the operation controls you have to make the environmental management procedures like working instructions. The working instruction as a operation controls where the housekeeping or what all environmental activities involved. Then under the procedures you have the forms are there and the monitoring forms. So these all constitute and together called as a environmental management systems. So when you are practiced regularly, so you have a broad look in that. So based on the manual, you have to do the audits, internal audits and external audits, and find